A spring snowstorm moved into Saskatchewan, with Regina, Moose Jaw and areas along the Trans-Canada Highway likely to bear the brunt. Travel is discouraged in many regions due to gusty winds, heavy snow and low visibility, with roads closed northeast of Regina, including Highway 11 to Bethune. Totals are 10 to 15 centimeters province-wide, with pockets near 25 centimeters. West-central Saskatchewan, toward North Battleford and Kindersley, is seeing heavy snow, with the heaviest rates around Regina and Moose Jaw along the Trans-Canada. Ice pellets and a risk of freezing rain mix into the southeast precipitation. The heavy moisture should ease tonight, leaving a few flurries overnight and into Friday. Regina could exceed 25 centimeters. Environment Canada meteorologist Danielle Desjardins cautioned about the storm's intensity and said warmer weather may arrive next week. In Whitewood, semis waited as road conditions shifted.